Candidate number 3. Maupay na kami, halili.
Okay na kami, Tito Boss.
Kumusta naman? Please sit down.
I'm doing well. How about you, Tito Boss?
I am good. I am very good. At parang I am here tonight because of my friends. Henry Gusino is one of the judges. I'm here because of Eugene Tan. I'm here because of Wilson and all the other members of the Board of Judges and the Pintados Foundation. And I'd like also to acknowledge Manamati, Mayor Martin, Itilia. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Maraming salamat. And to our honorable board, maraming salamat. You can now pick your question. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Okay? Marunay faster. But before I ask you a question, ikaw, kung mapili ka, smart or beautiful, ano yung mo pipiliin?
Smart, because if the person is smart, he can empower everyone.
Tama ka naman, at pag smart ka, mahusay ka mag. Di ba? You know, it makes you beautiful in a way. Candidate number 3, if you were to swap lives, kung palit, if you were to swap lives with someone, who do you choose and why?
I would not choose to swap lives with anyone because I am contented with the life I have today. And through my experiences, I became part of the top 5 in the state of Pintados. That's why I'm very grateful for my life.
That's true. So, di ka makikipagbalyo. But that's good. Okay. Here now is your question. Here is one question. Your question, candidate number 3, is this. The questions have been prepared by the organizers of tonight's pageant. How long would you allow another person to be your friend? I will repeat the question. How long would you allow another person to be your friend?
I would allow them as long as the friendship is built with trust, love, and respect. Before, I have not been the best friend that I could have been for someone, but that someone chose to work with me and give me another chance, and that reminds me to value forgiveness, and that's why I choose